Where is this? What happened? Spencer?
Could you give me like 5 minutes and I'll be right down?
I've been waiting almost a half hour down there by myself. And what is all this anyway? It's a live web show, and we refuse to break the character. Who is this woman? Oh, with a head. If my head does come off, my head, please, Edith. Time for baby love, please.
Freddy's funny. Like, after 12 tonight, please eat.
Oh, good heavens. Baby love me has green fish stuck in his gullet. Oh, I think it's coming. Oh, that wasn't very sophisticated.